Lily, are you studying for the math test tomorrow?
Yes, I am. Are you too?
Yeah, I'm reviewing my notes. Do you understand the new concept?
Not really. It's confusing.
Let's study together after dinner. We can figure it out.
Okay, let's meet at the library.
Do you need help with any other subjects?
Yeah, I'm struggling with history too.
I'm good at history. I can help you with that too.
That would be great. Thanks, Emily.
No problem. We're in this together.
Definitely.
How about we quiz each other on the topics we've studied?
Sure, that's a good idea.
I'll make flashcards for us to study from.
Sounds good. You're a lifesaver.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight, Lily?
Sure, what movie?
The new superhero movie. It starts at 7 p.m.
Okay, let me check with Mom.
I'll buy the tickets online. Meet me at the theater at 6:45 p.m.
All right, sounds good.
I'm excited. It's going to be a good one.
Me too.
Do you want to grab some popcorn and soda?
Yes, please. I'll get the candy.
Sounds good. Let's get a good seat.
Okay, let's go.
That was a great movie. What did you think, Lily?
I loved it. The special effects were amazing.
I know, right? We should do this again soon.
Definitely. Let's see what other movies are playing.
What do you like to do for fun, Lily?
I like drawing and painting. You?
I enjoy playing soccer and reading books.
I love reading too. What's your favorite book?
The Harry Potter series. You?
Me too. My favorite character is Luna.
She's cool. Mine is Hermione. She's smart and brave.
Yeah, she's awesome.
Have you read any other good books lately?
Yeah, I just finished a mystery novel. It was really suspenseful.
I love a good mystery. What was it called?
It was called The Silent Patient. You should read it.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'll add it to my list.
You're welcome.
What are you doing this weekend, Lily?
I'm going to my cousin's birthday party. You?
My family and I are going camping at the national park.
That's exciting. Take lots of pictures.
I will. Have fun at the party.
Thanks, I will.
Do you have any other plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to the mall with some friends on Sunday.
Sounds like fun. What are you planning to do there?
Just shopping and hanging out. Maybe we'll get some ice cream or something.
Cool. Have a great time. I'm going to catch up on some reading.
Sounds relaxing. Have a good weekend, Emily.
Thanks. You too. See you on Monday.
See you then.
What do you want for dinner tonight, Lily?
How about we make some spaghetti and meatballs?
Sounds good to me. Do we have all the ingredients?
Yeah, we just need to buy some ground beef.
All right, let's head to the grocery store. Do you need anything else?
Can we get some garlic bread too?
Sure, let's add that to the list. Do we need any vegetables?
Maybe some tomatoes for the sauce.
Good idea. Let's also get some salad ingredients for a side dish.
Sounds healthy.
Do you want to make a dessert too?
Yeah, let's make some chocolate chip cookies.
Yum! We have everything we need now. Let's head back and start cooking.
I can't wait.